In today's video, we will be talking about Royal Formula, an amazing hair care brand that does carry an argan oil hair mask. I was so excited to try it and see if it worked so that I could share it with you guys. They sent me some argan oil hair mask, which is amazing. I will show you guys in a minute how I use it. Another thing I really love about this hair mask is it is paraben and sulfate free, so it doesn't have any of those harsh chemicals in it. And then they also sent me 2 hair brushes. So one is their full-size detangle hairbrush, and then one is their mini detangle hairbrush. And I've been using these types of brushes for years now. I absolutely love them. So basically you can use these with wet hair and it won't damage it. Also, since my hair is really long, it does get knotted very easily. So instead of using a regular brush, which normally will pull and rip out a lot of my hair, these are just a lot smoother on your hair and they won't damage it. It's super easy to use this hair mask. All you have to do is wash your hair as normal with shampoo, and then while your hair is still damp, you want to apply the hair mask from root to tip. I like to use a pretty generous amount so that it's really lathered up and all strands of hair is filled with the hair mask. Then I just let it sit for 15 minutes and I washed it out with warm water. So I'm going to towel dry it as much as possible, and then I just let it air dry for the rest of the day. And this is how it ended up looking after. It's just a lot silkier and shinier than it was previously. And you can repeat this process up to 3 times a week. If you are interested in any of these products, this is the website for Royal Formula. I highly recommend checking them out.